Hi guys, welcome back. It's Mandy. Thanks for coming and watching my videos. I very much appreciate it. I know I say it every single time, but you have no idea how much I truly do appreciate you guys watching my video. Family, friends, whoever, people I don't know, it's awesome to see my channel grow. So today is going to be, as in the title, my Birch Box unboxing. I've been getting Birch Box now for probably, I'd say maybe a year, almost a year now. They always, they don't really disappoint. Sometimes they do, but normally there's at least a couple good things in this box. And again, this is only a $10 a month box, and it comes with 5 to 6, same as Itsby. Sample size, deluxe sizes, I think they say in the website. Products, and normally they are pretty good products, name brand products, and also some stuff that is new to check out. And that's why I love getting these subscription boxes, because sometimes you find some new stuff in them that you end up loving, and then you go and looking for it. Like there's this one thing that I got in Itsby probably like in the summertime, and it is a highlighter, which I'm out of now. I'm using Wet n Wild. But it was called like Incredible Glow or Incrediglow, and I've seen you could get it with your points, but now it's gone, because with Itsby you can review your products and get points for it and turn it in. But hopefully it'll come back, because I didn't have enough points to get it, and I can't find it anywhere to purchase it. But I really do love that product. However, I'm going on and on about that, and that's not even this video. This is Birch Box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. They're always a pain in the butt to open up, because they have these little perforated things on them, and they never rip in one piece. Wow, that was actually kind of easy. So that's what it looks like. I have not seen any spoilers. This is the first time I've seen the box too. Unlike Itsby, I seen the bag that it was in, but I didn't see any spoilers. And this is what it looks like up close. Normally it doesn't have like writing on it. It's just like a pattern or whatever. This is kind of cute. I do save these boxes. Oh, magic inside. I do save these because I use them to store stuff in. I think they're cute and they're nice and sturdy. Alright, so let's take a peek inside. Doesn't feel like there's a lot in there. That's what it looks like when you open it. And the card says, "Hello 2019, from Birch Box newbies, hi. To longtime friends, here's a refresher on how to make the most out of your boxes. Update your beauty profile, pick a sample, get 10% back in points, and review your samples." And that's what the card is. And on the back, it tells you about the products, which I do like that Birch Box does that, because as I stated, if I could talk today, in my Itsby unbagging, that they do not do that on the back of their cards and don't give you any kind of information on it. So anyway, so let's go ahead and get into it. And for once, I'm going to pull out the smallest thing first. Generally, you guys know I pull out the biggest thing first. Who cares about surprises with me? This I've never heard of. It is called Aero Revitalize. Alright, that's what it looks like. Let's see what it says. Aero Revitalize. It says exclusive. Under eye brightening serum, light to medium, full size is $18. Consider this skincare meets makeup pen your morning savior. Made with ginseng and caffeine, this serum depuffs, soothes, and provides light coverage to brighten your under eyes. That's good. I wonder if you can, I guess you would put it on top. No, you probably put it under your concealer. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I'm going to have to look this up to see when you would put it on. There's not a lot in here. It is, what does it say? Yeah. 0.4 ounces. This thing, it's tiny. Just for comparison, like there's my thumb and it's as big as my thumb. So this is the under eye serum. And I it's it kind of blended right in. It doesn't brighten, I don't think. I mean, who knows? This is, you know, swatching it on your hand doesn't do any justice then under your eye. All right, so let's grab the next thing that I see, and this is Design Me, another new thing that I've never seen. Fab Me. I like the packaging. It's hard to kind of see that on the camera. All right, so let's see what this says. Okay, Design Me. Fab Me hair treatment. I would have thought this was a mascara by the looks of it. Full size, $24.50. Mist this treatment from your roots to your ends before styling your hair. That's heat protected, smoothed, and strengthening, making it more youthful long term. Okay. Oh, let's see how it smells. Oh, I don't like that spray. Can you look at, you can see it on the video, I think. I don't like that spray. All right, so I don't like the smell. It smells soapy. I don't like it, but we'll see how it works. It doesn't, you don't get much. There is, again, so hard to see. I think it says 3 milliliters. It's either 3 or 5. It's hard to see it down there. Yeah, you guys probably can't even see it at all. All right, so let's move on to the next item. I have heard of this. All right, this is Black Mask, which everybody loves masks. Well, most people do. All right, peel off mask, which is great because I love peel offs. They're easier than the wash offs. Full size is $29. Avoiding your hairline and brows, apply an even layer of this mask to your T-zone after cleansing. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and slowly peel off to reveal fresh and renewed or revived skin. Let's see if it has a smell. It is sealed. Oh. Okay, well, I just got that everywhere. We're going to put a little bit, look at that. Can you see that? Put a little bit on and let it dry while I do the rest of the products. This one you get 15 milliliters, so that's good. Oh, it's so thick. So thick. Look. It doesn't really have a smell to it. Yeah, it's kind of odorless. All right, so moving on. This is, oh, we have a MAC product. Definitely way better this month than Itsby's bag. Itsby's bag was not that good. There was Clinique in it, but that was about the only good thing that, well, Clinique and the Tarte. Anyway, so this is MAC Cosmetics. In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Mascara, full size, $24. I think I have gotten this before and I've used it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I have. It says, want lashes that are dimensional as you are. Swipe on clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. Let's see if it has a smell. I don't know why I smell everything. Oh my gosh, look at this brush. Look at how big that is. It takes up like the whole wand. Oh, it does have a smell. Chemically. It smells very chemically. You get, does it say how much you get in here? It does not tell you how much you get in here. But MAC is good. MAC is a good product. I'm sure people have tried MAC and love it. It's like a staple in the beauty industry. It's been around for a very long time, and it can be expensive. I don't know if you guys can see my dog. No, you can't see her today. She's in here, though. She's behind me. She's buried all down in the pillows. All right, so I have one more product in my box, and this is Model Company Baked Highlighter Illuminer Cult in the shade Moonshine. I've never seen this product before. That's why I like getting these, because I mean, yeah, you do get name brand products, but you get stuff that you've never seen before too. And you get to try it out. All right, this says Baked Highlighter Moonshine, full size, $25. Get the warm glow you crave when you sweep this sheer highlighter onto high points of your face. Try also applying it to your eyelids for a natural, radiant eyeshadow look. By the way, what I've got on my lids today is that Tarte one that we got in the BoxyCharm. I can see why people don't really like it. All the colors are kind of the same, but it is what it is. It's still Tarte and it's still nice, and it does look nice. All right, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of cute, nice and sleek. Let's open it up and see what it's. Oh, okay. That's kind of nice. Well, I kind of like these, this color of a highlighter more than like the white ones. Can you see it there? It is kind of nice. Let's see. Oh, it does have a glow. I will definitely, I was just talking about using the one from the It's Be bag that I like so much, but this definitely has a nice glow to it. Yeah, look at, wow. This is a good one. I will be using this every day probably. I really like this, and it is 1.5 grams. All right, so out of my It's Be and my Birch Box, definitely Birch Box wins this month. It's Be, not so, it wasn't that good, but Birch Box definitely. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, as is, It's Be only gave us 4, so here are all 5 things. Oh, let's see. It probably hasn't been sitting long enough. It's very tight. It definitely, because I didn't put a thick layer on, I don't think it's going to peel off. But it is tight and still doesn't have an odor to it. So, but we'll give that a try probably tonight. I haven't done a peel off mask in a while, so we'll give that a shot. Anyway, thank you guys for coming and watching my videos. If you want to subscribe to Birch Box, like I said, it's only $10 a month. I think it's a great thing to explore new makeup. And you can get like hair care products, as I did, and lotions and stuff like that in there as well. You can do your profile so that if you don't really like makeup and you want more skincare products, you can get more skincare products. But I think it's a good deal, and I love getting them. So anyway, thank you for coming and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. And have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.